Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't hear my audio messages on iMessage. So for example, when you receive an audio message and you tap on play, you're not hearing it or you can barely hear it. I'll be showing you some solutions on how to fix that. The first thing I would recommend you do is go into settings on your iPhone. Then you're going to scroll down until you see messages. After selecting messages, you're going to scroll down until you see audio. And right where you see audio message, you're going to tap right there where you see raise to listen. You want to ensure that that is enabled, as you can see on my screen right here. As by enabling raise to listen, once you tap on the play button when you receive a message, you can simply lift the phone to your ear and the volume will increase. For example, if I should go into iMessage and tap on to play this message right here, then I can also tap on the volume icon right here and turn it up if it was low, and that's it. I hope this was able to help you to increase your audio message volume. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.